Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Roads of Oz. My name is Matt. On this episode, we look at this Oxford battery charger. So Oxford products have been around since 1973 and most motorcyclists have come across or used an Oxford product at some point in time. You'll see them at just about every motorcycle store, and also they've got a massive online presence. So this battery charger is the Optimizer 900 and it has been around for almost 10 years. This one's about 8 years old and I thought it's worth reviewing one that's a bit older for the simple fact that is you want to know how things hold up. So far this one's held up pretty well. It functions exactly as the newer ones do. It'll do 3 of the 4 main type of batteries out there. So the only battery it won't do is lithium batteries, and so if you don't use lithium batteries, this charger would be good enough. Now it is quite affordable. I've seen them anywhere from $60 and they go up from there, and then you get the other models that can do the lithium battery much more expensive. Me personally, I'll have to go the more expensive option due to the fact the Hasselberg has a lithium battery, and when I replace it, I'll be putting a lithium battery in that because weight is very important in your off-road bikes because you want them as light as possible. The only other weakness I found with this is that the material, if you look at it, this gets quite tacky, the case, and I don't know if that's still the case with these, but yeah, it feels quite sticky, so any dirt and that will stick to it. I think it's just the material breaking down over time. Most things Oxford are made in China these days. Would I buy it? Only if I didn't have bikes with lithium batteries. It's got a great, it does a bulk charge, so if your battery's really low, it will charge it right up, pumping just under 1 amp through it to get it charged quickly. Once you get up to about 85%, it drops down to a smaller current and will charge the battery steadily up until 100%. It does have a maintenance option on it, and it will just maintain the battery and monitor it, and when it drops below a certain level, it will then slowly trickle charge it back up to 100%. So it's ideal for when you got your bike laid over in cold winters or in lockdowns, which we've all been experiencing as of late. So when I plug it in, you'll notice it's just assessing the battery, and it's saying it's quite charged, it's well charged, but it's going for a bulk charge at the moment. Now it's detecting that it's charged well enough that it can go to a maintain, and you'll see the current drop down. So that battery's virtually good to go on your bike. If it was too low, it would go into a bulk charge and charge the battery fully. I'll let this charge for a little bit, get it up to 100%, so I can chuck it on the bike because I probably won't be using the little 125 for a week or two. So there you have it. If you're after an affordable battery charger that will double as a maintenance for your battery, definitely give this one a look. It's quite affordable, very reliable, and it works. You got 2 types of clips. You got these traditional clamps, and then you got the one that you can actually wire up to the bike and actually just plug it in as required instead of having to disassemble the bike. Anyway, that's pretty much it from me. Thanks very much for watching. If you found this video interesting, please like, share if you haven't done so already, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next vid.